I'm sorry, I put too much Oreo in my mouth. Go get me a bite.
All of that get in my floor, Lauren.
Hey, you know how they put on handheld vacuums?
Lord, get this up.
Fucking
Get it in your mouth.
Oh, clean that up then. I'm not touching
It's
it.
still going.
Hillary, get that mess out of my floor.
I don't even know why I was laughing at that though.
There's some on your hand.
Get these fucking Oreos out of my fucking floor.
What do you mean?
You're just taping the
What do you
ground.
mean? Give me a drink. I can't have Oreos without a drink.
What do you want? What do you have?
Of course, you're not taping nothing. I have Oreo all over my hand.
How do I know when it stops?
Yeah, like, you can't stop it with that. You have to press. You have to press. You have to press the video button at the bottom.